We have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF9/40, serial number 1133191. This machine was new in 2016 and we are running it. Machine has the NextGen control. It's equipped with wireless networking, spindle orientation, macros, coordinate scaling, visual part, rigid tapping. You have the remote jog handle. This machine also has the whips, wireless intuitive probing system. 2500. It is a 2-speed gearbox machine up to 8100 RPM. 4500. Machine also has the wiring and drive to put a 4th axis rotary on it. 7000. Sounds good. The spindle is a Cat 40. You have a 24 ATC automatic tool changer, and you have coolant through the spindle capability with a 300 PSI pump. 500 in the low. Can you see the spindle? 1000. You have telescopic weight covers on the 3 axes, and that is a T-slotted table. We're doing a tool change. The table size is 84 by 36. You have 84 inches of X travel. You have 40 inches of Y and 30 of Z. He's going to bring the Z down. He's using the remote jog handle. We do have the probe. Oh, you also have air blow, air gun. Your Y. Very smooth. And your X. This machine also has the linear scale option. So you've seen the X, Y, and Z go. You've seen it in high gear and low gear. You've seen a tool change.